Welcome to this tutorial on using a fixed time interval in an AOP planning view. First, review what time settings control. They let you choose the required time granularity, define the number of periods to display, and decide whether the planning horizon uses a fixed time or rolling time window. You can also combine different time intervals or use total to display aggregated key figure values. Next, consider the annual operating plan example. In this tutorial, the planning view uses month as the time period, fixed as the rolling option, and a fixed interval from January 2026 to December 2026. These values are examples, and your system may use different periods or planning data. Now, in Excel, open the SAP IBP ribbon. The Planning View group is displayed, and the New View button is highlighted. Click New View to create a planning view from a template. After clicking New View, the Create New Planning View from Template window opens on the Time Settings page. The rolling option is currently displayed in the Time Settings table. Click the Rolling dropdown to change the interval type. After opening the Rolling dropdown, the available options are displayed, including Fixed and Rolling. Select Fixed so the planning view uses a defined start and end period instead of a horizon that shifts over time. After selecting Fixed, the Time Settings row updates and the From and to Period fields become the main interval controls. Click the From dropdown to choose the starting period for the fixed interval. After opening the From dropdown, the available monthly periods are displayed. Select January 2026 as the first month in this annual operating plan example. After selecting January 2026, the From field is updated. Click the dropdown to choose the ending period for the fixed interval. After opening the dropdown, the available monthly periods are displayed. Select December 2026 so the planning view covers the full 2026 annual operating plan horizon. After selecting December 2026, the fixed interval is set from January 2026 to December 2026. Next, click Key Figures to choose the measures that should appear in the planning view. After clicking Key Figures, the All Key Figures and Selected Key Figures areas are displayed. The Actuals Quantity key figure is currently selected. Clear Actuals Quantity because this example focuses on AOP quantity planning. After clearing Actuals Quantity, select AOP Quantity from the available key figures. This adds the annual operating plan quantity measure to the planning view setup. After selecting AOP Quantity, confirm that it appears in the Selected Key Figures area. Then click OK to generate the planning view with the fixed time interval and selected key figure. After clicking OK, the SAP IBP Excel add-in creates the planning view in the worksheet. The view now displays AOP quantity across monthly columns from January 2026 through December 2026. In summary, using a fixed time interval in an AOP planning view starts by creating the planning view, changing the rolling option to fixed, selecting the From and to Periods, choosing the required key figure, and confirming the setup. The SAP IBP Excel add-in then writes the planning view into the worksheet so planners can review or maintain AOP quantities for the selected fixed horizon. The exact templates, fields, periods, and settings may vary by planning area, template, and system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.